Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the screen resolution on your XIAOMI TV Box 3S. First of all, we're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon from the home screen to open the quick settings menu. Then select the gear icon once again to open all settings. Here we're gonna have to go to display and sound settings and then scroll down to resolution. Select it and then switch from automatic to one of the available resolutions we see right here. So here you can select any resolution up to 4K with 60 Hz. Well, at least for this TV. And once you have selected the resolution, the changes will be applied immediately. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.